So just doing a quick video about my hybrid trading method here with the Algo and the manual trading system that I've got going at the moment. It's going really well. Just a quick update. Just recording this for my own interest mainly. So this was a scalping. This Algo is a scalping algorithm, a mean reversion algorithm. So it only trades when I tell it to start trading, and it only trades three lots per cycle. Three lots per cycle. So as you can see here, it does 3 buys, and then 3 sells, and then 3 buys. So there's nine entries altogether during this cycle that I set it to run for. And it traded it perfectly. So it buys off this support here, and then it sells off this. It goes long off this support level here. It goes short off this resistance level here, which it did perfectly. And then when it breaks out, that was the end of the session there. And then when the new session started, and I trade it with my manual system, which I'll show in a minute. So that was the 1 minute chart. This is the 1 minute chart at the moment. I'm showing it on here, which is the Algo works on the 15-minute chart, but I do time frame matching. So that's how I work out how to tell the Algo what to trade, when to trade. It only trades ranging conditions. So I've got to pick the conditions for it that I want it to trade, or else it won't place trades in this sort of condition because it doesn't get the right criteria for a trade. So it's knowing price action is the key to this, which is if you don't know price action, you wouldn't be able to run this. But just in that short time, from 23.37 to 23.54, it made all this profit here, right? So that's enough for, that just in that short time there, that was enough profit just on that one trade to last you a long time, just on that trade alone. So just showing you how effective it is if anyone's interested to know. So this is a daily 4-hour, which you can see it's a very strong ranging condition on the daily 4-hour at the moment. So it's the perfect conditions for scalping in, right? You've got to have the right conditions for scalping. That's what the key to it is. And the 4-hour, 2-hour, again, perfect conditions. You've got this distribution on the 4-hour here, and the perfect conditions on the 2-hour as well. And then of course for scalping we go down to my intraday template. Those higher time frames, those are just for I just use those to get an idea of what the momentum is like on the higher time frames, but I don't trade on those. They're just for confirmation. And then my scalping is done on the intraday template, the manual scalping. Right? Enter these trades manually. I haven't talked about the scalping conditions much. The scalping conditions for entry are different to the normal intraday template. Right? As you can see, the entry, would be our normal entry on the intraday template, but with scalping, it's a mean reversion. So you're trading up to the you're trading up towards VWAP, and then taking the trade through. Right, then you get stopped out here. Then you can re-enter again here because you had momentum on this side. Right, that's very important very important part of the rules, but I haven't really shown that side of it yet. What the rules are for my scalping method yet, but I don't think anyone's going to be able to really use that method. I don't think you'd have majority of people won't have the understanding of price action to be able to do this type of trading like I'm showing here, but I'm just going to do a manual about my trading method rules, so I'll explain this in a manual coming up. I'll probably do that over the Christmas break. And this is the free one, the free algo, which is going pretty well. I just took a snapshot here of the going pretty good there. There's couple of small losses here, but the rest were profits. Good profit there, 645 there on pound Oz. That was really good gain, that one. But I'm starting to get this dialed in now on the free one, so I might be showing people how to. I'll share the set file that I've worked out the default set file doesn't go very well at all. I've been tweaking this for ages to try and get it running good on different conditions, but I'm getting to the point now where I've got it going pretty stable now. And the manual is quite hard to understand for this algo too, so I'm going to do a video about that. And the idea of this is you'll be able to play around with this algo on a demo account. It's not for, I wouldn't trust this on a live account just yet, but it's going to be, might be a bit of fun to play around with it on a demo account and get the idea of what algorithm trading's about. If you've never used one before, that's the idea of that. Anyway, I'll do more updates about that coming in the future, but for now that's it. All right, bye for now.